Meaning of disinclination.
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 Disinclination. Disinclination refers to a lack of enthusiasm or willingness to do something. When someone has a disinclination towards a task, they feel a reluctance to undertake it or find it unappealing. This could be due to various reasons such as lack of interest, fear, or inconvenience. The result of disinclination is often a hesitation or delay in completing the task and sometimes even avoidance altogether. It is important to recognize when one has a disinclination towards something and try to address any underlying causes in order to move forward effectively.